See here, we are starting the class for penetration testing. Okay, inside that CompTIA pen test. Let me start from here. And this is our CompTIA penetration testing. Okay, here we have totals. Domains are there. Total we have 5 domains. We will see here total 5 domains. 5 domains we have here. First domain is coming. Inside the first domain, we will see that is called domain 1. Inside the domain 1, we have planning and scoping. We have planning and scoping part. And then after we have second is coming key of legal concept. Key of I will share with you the syllabus. Okay. Let me talk on the first domain. Key of legal concepts. Next we have here scoping and engagement. Scoping and engagement part. Then after we are coming here compliance based assessment. Compliance based assessments. Assessment. When we are talking about this part, I told you like COVID, you remember? The last class we have discussed on the COVID, NIST. These are the terms are coming here. Okay. This is your domain 1 part. Then after I'm sending you the syllabus today. Okay. You can check it the syllabus. Let me come on the exam perspective. What is coming inside your exam? That is the exam code is your PT 001. Okay, if you are planning to write the exam, here you have the exam descriptions coming here. Let me talk about the exam descriptions. Write the exams. Okay, that is very valuable for the penetration testing. It's very demanding in the outside. After pen test, if you are planning for CISSP, then it is good. Okay, or if you are going with your SISA, this. So exam is coming here. CompTIA pen test is covered. CompTIA pen test, pen test, pen test is covers here. White hat hacking tools and techniques. White hat hacking, hacking tool and techniques. Techniques here. Then after legal and compliance requirement, if you go for the exams, legal. That's what I told you. Legal and compliance, compliance requirements. Requirements here. Then after we are coming here, information gathering. The very important point here. See here, information, information gathering. Vulnerability. You remember we have discussed so many things on the vulnerability. Vulnerability, scanning, scanning, exploitation, exploitation, and reporting results. And we have here the reporting results. I'm showing you the diagram results. When you go for the exams like this way, you will get. And that all thing is coming inside with your 5 domains. Understood my point? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next point I'm telling you, your question. Write the exam, okay? We will help you for the examination. Examination is very much important. The certificates are. See here, it is telling you exam details. When you come for the exam details, here we have up to 85 questions. You have to clear in 165 minutes. Okay? Your score should be, you have to score 750 out of 900. That means your score, you have to need 83.33%. That roughly you can say 85% you have to need to clear the exam. Okay? The recommendation experience is telling you when you're coming in experience, when you're coming in the industry, it is giving you you should know about the CompTIA Network Plus, CompTIA Network prerequisite, that things we are discussed here. CompTIA Network Plus. Then we have here, or you can say Security Plus. Whatever I didn't cover here or there, understood? I will cover here. You understood my point? I will cover here. The requirement is telling you should have the knowledge on that 3 to 4 years, 3 to 4 years of hands-on infosec, information security. You understood my point? Infosec, they are telling you. So we will see if the people have no experience on that. We will see here that some kinds of practicals and that things, how that's in the real-time environment they are getting this. Cost of the exam is coming here. You should have dollar 346 USD. You understood my point. But sometimes what happened? Some examination vouchers, they are selling vouchers in the 50% also. You understood? You can check it out. I will refer somewhere. They will give you in some percentage, some kinds of like 50% off or something. Because what happened if they will not sell their vouchers, it will expire. Understood? Like this voucher is valid up to your like 1 year or 2 year. So that voucher, if they will not sell, that voucher will automatically expire. So they are doing their anyhow they are selling their vouchers within that period. So I will refer some kinds of that persons or some I don't think they will give in some kinds of inside that some 50% off or something they will do. Okay, fine. This is the exam details is coming here. Let me come on the CompTIA career part. How the CompTIA is starting the courses here. That part I'm coming here. That things we are discussing. Let me come on that. You are comfortable, Vijay? Today you are getting understanding the points. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any doubt is there?
Sir, thing is that, sir, what we are studying now, so it is with respect to the job oriented, na, sir?
Yeah. Obviously. That lab we will go that. Obviously, don't worry about that. That is job oriented. That's why I will take more
Okay.
time. Like no, Saturday. Today I started. 3 to 4 hours I will spend with you on the Saturday. The students Saturday and Sunday evening. Don't worry about that. Okay. Fine. In the weekdays also, if I'll be get time, I will call you. Fine.
Okay.
Okay. See here. The cyber security career path. I'm coming here. Cyber security career path here. What it is telling you, cybersecurity, cybersecurity career path is giving you in perspective with your CompTIA. I'm talking in perspective with your CompTIA. Understood? So you can find here that we have here CompTIA IT fundamentals. First is coming CompTIA IT fundamentals. Okay. Next, you will come here A plus CompTIA A plus. Then after we are coming here Network plus, that all CompTIA. Then after we are coming here CompTIA Security plus, CompTIA Security plus. But in the CompTIA Security plus, you have lacking is there. You cannot continue the class, couldn't continue the class there, right? Remember. So that part I will cover up here. Understood? Some security part here. That is very much important here. That virus creation and all parts we will see here. Understood? Then after completing of your security, you have CompTIA is giving you, that is your intermediate level. That is coming here your intermediate, that is your intermediate level. Inside the intermediate level, what the CompTIA is giving you, they are telling you you have the options. You can go either way, the CompTIA penetration testing, or or you have the facility, you can choose either with, you can go with CISA, CompTIA, CompTIA, CISA, CISA plus. Okay, these two things, either you can go with here or you can go with here. If you're coming in the penetration testing, here you should have the more lab is there. You understood my point? Here the auditing part is, you will learn more here, audit part. You understood? With the perspective with your cyber security. Then after in the advanced, they are coming your CASP, that is your CompTIA advanced section. Inside, if you are planning for CompTIA, that is the career path in the CompTIA advanced, that is your CASP. SP part is coming, and that is telling you your advanced section. That is your advanced section. You understood? So this is the way. So we are coming here in the CompTIA penetration testing. If you are planning, if you go with that in future, or like whatever you need, your career, you can go with CISSP. I will suggest you CISSP. You do the best job is there. Or after that penetration testing, also you can go with the job. You can search the job also. Understood my point? So let me come on the domain one. Okay, I already discussed on the domain one. Okay, come here in the domain one. Let me discuss on the domain one, what the terms are coming. You understood up to here, PJ? Right now clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Any doubt is there, please ask me here. Okay, let me come on that. On the methodology, we are coming here. See here, if from the domain one, the question I'm telling you, for domain one, I'm writing what kind of question, very much important. We're going for write the exam. What kind of question question can expect on your test when you're going for the examination, when you're going for the competitive exam, what kinds of question you're getting from your, expecting from your domain one. You understood my point? Okay. So here I'm giving the solutions, I'm giving the answers. All objectives for domain one. Are you getting all objectives? Objectives from, very much important. I'm clearing out here from domain one on will come. There is no simulation. There is there is no simulation. You understood my point? Objective will come from here. Fine. Next I am coming here. The point. Okay. Okay. The point is coming. Penetration testing methodology. I am starting the class for the domain one. Fine. Very much important. Pen test. Write this point. Pen test. Testing. Testing methodology. What you will see here, like, see, if you are coming in the college, this is the college area. So if you are entering in the college, what kinds of methodology you will use, why you are coming for the college, so many things is coming inside your mind. Are you getting my point or not? College in engineering college is there, you have master college is there, you have MBA college is there. So that the methodology or some kinds of that is the you can say the features are coming inside your mind, like why I'm coming. The question is coming why. The question is coming why and how. These two three things is coming inside that. So I am telling you inside the methodology is giving you in the pen test, very much important. Sorry, very much important here. Let me delete this one. See here. When the methodology we are discussing here, you will find here a system. This is right here. A system of methods used to particular area, particular area, particular area. That's I discuss on the college kinds of like that. Particular area of study or activity. Fine. So Prentice methodology is giving you like this way. Chart sheet if you want to see here, it will come in like this way. Come here and see. Mm, this one. First is coming here. You will find here in first part. First, what you will do? First, you will do planning and scoping. This is methodology we are discussing here. Planning and scoping parts. Are you getting Vijay? What I am discussing here? Okay. Second
Yes,
term is coming. Second term is coming. First, you will plan. Then next is coming here. Information gathering. Information gathering. Information gathering and vulnerability. Vulnerability. You will check the vulnerability. You remember I discussed with you vulnerability. Fine. Third point is coming here. Then after, if you get the vulnerability inside the organization, what you will do? You will create a third is coming here. Third point is coming here. You will create here what? Attack. Correct or not? Attack and you should try to exploit it. Are you getting? Exploit it. Next is coming after vulnerability gathering, after attacking, what you will do? Reporting and communication. You will create a report. Fourth point is coming here. The reporting, reporting and communication. You understood my point?
Yes, sir.
Correct, no? What you do, like if the organization is there, inside that organization, what you will do, you will plan what kind, how to enter inside the organization. So you will start information gathering about the organization. Like you will go to the audit team, like you will go to the monitoring team, some kinds of, I'm telling you, every company is have. Then after you will find the vulnerability, right? Honeypots, you heard about honeypots? Do you have idea about honeypots?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So kinds of honeypots, like the vulnerability it is coming. Then after what you will do, you will create an attack. When you will create an attack, because you got the vulnerability of the organization, you create an attack and you can exploit it. Then after you can create an exploit. Sorry, you can create a reporting part, like where is the vulnerability and how, which techniques you will use for the vulnerability attacking, and how you should enter. This thing is working in the organization itself also. They are checking their vulnerability. You understood my point? What the main aim after all this, all what is coming, the main important points you can underline here. What is the planning? First thing is planning, and then after they will come directly to here, like a vulnerability check, like this way. Understood or not? This is very much important. Information gathering and vulnerability. If the company will get, okay, there is the vulnerability. So after completing this all, they will get reporting. Then after what you will do? Do you have idea? Will you tell me what you will do? Then after you will patch. If you're working in the company, you will start the patching part. You understood? Fine. So this part is coming inside your penetration testing methodology. Understood or not? So inside, when you are coming here, inside the ethical hackers methodology, this is one way I have explained you. When you are coming here, just see, I will explain you in terms of ethical hacker, how the ethical hackers are doing for the exploitations. I'm explaining here. See here, ethical hackers methodology, very much important. Are you comfortable, Vijay, to discuss? That is good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The trunks is coming, very much important. What I'm writing this thing, some theoretical points, and then after we will do the lab. Okay, inside the lab is very much important. See here, what is coming here? Ethical hacker and methodology. Obviously, you should have to check in perspective with the ethical hackers. How is your college is going on? The classes with your students.
So now classes are over, sir.
All classes over. Examination is coming.
So still government not decided, sir.
Okay, okay. You are in which this one in electronics. You are taking the class for electronics.
For computer science students, sir. For MTech students.
Oh, you're taking for MTech students. Okay. So, okay, fine. Here, ethical hackers methodology. We can here. Okay. See, I told you, remember, very much important points. I told you, you should anyhow, you should have to learn NIST. Some terms was there, some technologies was there, understood? Some concept was there. You remember, I will send you this part. NIST SP, that's some 800 115 methodology is giving you information inside that form tier. They are using methodology. If you want to check, I'm giving you. You should come here. Just check it out. 1 minute. Just a minute. Let me show you on the Google. See here. See here. NIST SP 800 115 methodology. See here. It's open. Okay. That is a guideline. Guideline for what? Information security testing. You understood my point? Are you getting?
So the number means it's a rule number, sir.
You can say it's a standard wise. If the revision is coming every years or kinds of after 2 years, 3 years, they have the standards are there. You understood? Like
Okay, sir.
ISO having some numbers are there. NIST having some standards are there. So in every standards they are revised something. If see here, see that we are struggling with Corona, right? Every company is like nearby of shutdown or their economical everything like no, they are going to have you can say collaborate with some companies or kinds of migration and everything is stopped here. So what is happening on that terms? I'm talking you, giving the information like some kinds of concept they will come, right? This is a kind of disaster. You understood my point? Like COVID is calculated in the kinds of disaster. So for disaster, how to incident that incident is happened, it's occur for in every country. So how they will be come out for these kinds of problems, right? So the people in the information technology in the testing part on the testing team, they have decided like all people are going to work from home. You understood my point? Correct. Are you getting? Before that, you should have to like 9 to 6 or something be there. Like you should have to come and you have to log in there. You should be present inside the organization. But in a day, it is not required. That means information security team have come with some sort of problems they are giving to the organization or to the countries, their government. Like no, this is the solutions you have to apply inside your complete inside the nations or worldwide. You have to apply where your company is working. Are you getting my point? So like same thing is coming. SP, this is see here the purpose of documents assist organization. Like this is the way. So you have to study this thing. Are you getting my point? Some theory knowledge you should have to know because if you're going for the CISSP, this is the more mostly the theory part is coming. There is no lab is there inside that all 8 domains. Are you getting here, Vijay? This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ask me question. Yeah, please, Vijay. If any doubt is there, you should ask me the question here. You understood? Okay. If I open that SP 800.
Sir, you said that we have a methodology steps are there. First, we have to plan and vulnerability.
Mm-hmm.
Then we have to
Mm-hmm.
fix
Correct.
that problem. So these are
Yes.
all methods. So we have practical.
Yeah, yeah. Obviously, this plan, this all have the practicals. We will see. Don't worry. Okay, we will come on that point. Okay, we'll see. Fine. Okay.
Okay.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry about the practicals. Right. Don't worry about the practicals. I will show you the more practicals. Every practicals. Okay. Don't worry. You ready with the practicals only. Okay. See here in the NIST that computer security centers is coming here, and then after see that is the abstract is there, that is the keywords is there. What is coming inside the keywords here? You will find inside the keywords you are getting here. Let it be open. Vijay, are you comfortable with this? What I'm explaining? Okay, this is very much
Yes,
important.
sir.
So you have to remember that keywords you are getting: penetration testing, risk assessment, security examination, security testing, vulnerability scanning. You understood my point? And then after the controls families is audit is came. I was talking
Yes,
about auditing. Understood?
yes, sir.
So go with that. What I'm giving you now, go with that. These are important. Give me 2 months, okay? And then after you, okay? So fine. These are the terms is coming. Understood? Go with that and study these things. Very much study. Important. This all things. Let me come on the your syllabus point. Come here. Okay. Come here. This is the methodology. Inside the methodology, what is coming? See here. The terms is coming here. Let me come for first ethical hackings. These things let me explain you. Okay. Let me explain you this part. Then after I will explain this part. Okay. Let me come on here. Ethical hackers, what they will do? First, pre-attack steps are there. First point is coming here. Pre, try to understand. Pre-attack attack steps are there. What are the pre-attack steps? What they will do inside the pre-attack steps? They will try to get permission. Then after, second point, if permission is without a permission granting, you cannot enter inside the organization. Are you getting my point? Second thing is coming here, performing the conscience. Performing performing reconscience. Reconscience. Third point is coming, scanning and enumeration. Then after you can do the scanning and enumeration. See here, this is the pre-attack steps. Are you getting my point? What we will do, just come here. Let me explain you. See here, this is my, see here, this is my, some outside devices are there, okay? Outside devices, not compatible with your what? Microsoft. Are you getting what I'm talking here?
Yes, sir.
So when you install these devices or these devices or these devices, what you are doing or these devices, you are going to compromise the security. Compromise the security. Because what they will tell you, if installing these are the devices, they are telling you when you run these devices or kinds of that, they will tell you you have to what? You have to disable your antivirus. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir. Because of antivirus, it will not allow to permit to execute
Obviously,
that
obviously,
thing.
obviously, 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 they are not doing, they are not allowed to perform the actions here. Okay, so these kinds of steps they are telling you. Next one is what? You have to disable what? Sometimes what happen, you have to disable here. What they are telling you to disable? You have to disable your Microsoft. By default inside the Microsoft also they have the firewall is there. Are you getting my point? So these firewalls also they will tell you to disable, otherwise this is not performing. Outside, these are the outside vendors we are talking. These are the what? Outside vendors. Are you getting? You understood my point? So what we did here, what we did here, what we have did here, permissions, we took permission. You understood my point? After that what we did, after that when we have come entered, then after we got what? This is the vulnerability. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
This is the vulnerability part. Then after we are performing reconnaissance and scanning to reach to, this is the pre-attacks. Then
Sir,
after
you
that,
said that it's a permission is a vulnerability. So vulnerability means it is a thing. It is a thing we have to fix, na, sir.
yeah,
Vulnerability is a
obviously,
problem in that thing.
yeah, inside like software, inside your software, inside your hardware. So what is happening? Just try to understand. When you go to work inside the company, they are not telling you to use your pen drive or kinds of any kinds of portable disk. You cannot use inside there. You understood my point? You cannot use your any kinds of like if they are using Internet Explorer, you cannot, they cannot allow you to download the others browsers. You understood? Because this is coming inside their security perspectives. Understood? Getting my point? Sometimes what happened, your laptop's ports are disabled. If you work in the IBM and some companies, their laptop ports are disabled. If you're trying to,
Yes, sir.
if you're,
I
yeah, you know. So if you are trying to put some kinds of like no pen drive or something, directly escalate one message to your higher authority. Why you are doing? You have to answer this one. You understood? These are the comings when you join the company. These are the their, or you can say it is the terms and conditions for the companies. You have to regulate it, and you are that they have to regulate for you to perform it. Okay, if you are not performing, they can fire you. Understood? So these things is coming, but this is my computer, my personal thing. So I will try for that, but inside the company is not allowing it. Clear? Right now, clear your point? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Next I'm coming here. The risk label is there. Now for the next point, we'll do here. See here. The risk label is there. Then after we are coming here, that is called the risk label points is coming. Risk level is what here? After pre-attack step, the risk level is giving you gaining access. If you reach there, gaining access. I'm talking about what ethical hackers methodology. Gaining access. Then after escalation of privilege. Escalation of privilege. Fine. Then after you're coming here, escalation of privilege is what? Like you are getting the root access. You understood my point? Gaining access is what you should enter inside that. Okay. Scanning and enumeration. You remember we are discussing on the scanning and enumeration. We have used tools. You remember Nmap tools. You remember that Nmap tools.
Yes, sir.
That is the best tools to go for the scan. Understood? Okay. From here, next point I am coming on gaining access. Explain this point. Then after you are coming here, maintaining, 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 maintaining access. If you're coming on the maintaining access point, you are coming, you can talk about the rootkit. With the help of rootkit, you can inside the organization. Understood? We'll see. Root access means inside the company's access, where you have to reach. Maybe you have to reach to the IT, maybe you have to reach to the sales. Okay, so many companies have the you can say the platform is there. IT sales departments are there. Then after you have the you can say networking is there, and then after they have help is there. Kind of that. Okay, so you reach to the IT. Then after that is the root access of the IT. Then after with the help of this one, you are monitoring, maintaining access. That means gathering information. Gathering information. You understood my point? Hello? Okay.
Yes, sir.
See that is very less. I think it will be in 60 minutes. It will down. Okay. If the power will come, I will call you. Okay. So here, let me come here. Come here. This is your maintaining access. Then after what we are doing here, escalation. After what you will do here, converting tracks, converting tracks, converting tracks, and placing placing backdoors. Vulnerability is also coming inside the backdoors entry, right? Are you getting my point or not?
Yes, sir.
So these things is also performing here, converting tracks and placing, and what they are doing, placing backdoors. Okay, inside that point is coming. You understood this point? You
Yes,
understood?
sir. So backdoor means which is not authorized, and then also we are
Hmm.
trying to access.
Yeah, yeah, correct, correct. So what I'm doing, if I entered there, I'm not allowed to some other kinds of hackers they can come inside that. So I will do backdoor entry closed, maybe. Okay, that is the risk levels is there. Then after I am coming, after completing this, next is coming your reporting part. After that, everything you have got with the help of your this point and this point. Then after reporting, this is the word complete ethical hackers methodology to create an attack on the organization. Understood? Clear? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Then after I'm coming on the NIST part, we have to discuss. Just come here on the NIST. Let me discuss on the NIST. I think 30-50 minutes will be there. In NIST, they are telling you that NIST 800 115 is giving you the information about what? Planning. They are telling you the planning. Then after planning, you have the points with discovery. Understood? Same thing is coming. Discovery. Then after is coming attack. Then after you are getting the attacks part, discovery means vulnerability, attack, and then after you have the reporting part. What the ethical hackers done, they will come with these all 4 points. The reporting. Understood? Getting clear?
Yes,
Here what is telling you, this all planning is just going to connect with reporting. And here, this is your additional discovery. Additional discovery. I'm coming, I'm explaining you what is happening here. Done up to here, this point. Clear? I'm coming to explain you. Planning and Pinterest. Should I come? Hello?
yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Give me the fast answer because if the power will come, I can continue it. Okay, see here.
Okay, sir.
That 14 minutes is there. Okay, let me continue it. Don't waste our time. Okay, come here. See, the points is telling you here. See here, the points is telling you planning of penetration. The point is coming, question is coming here. What is the question is telling you? Why is the planning is important? Question is why is planning is important? Okay, you should write here. Needs to know the giving it here. See here, needs to know the properly plan to pen test. Needs to know the plan to pen test. Clear? Second, it is telling you what does the business do, and yeah, and in the planning also, who is the audience, who is the target, who is the target audience. Why the planning is important? For what? Who is the target audience? Who is the, if you do the planning for whom, who is the target audience? Are you getting? Understood? So first point is coming, needs to know the properly plan to pen test. First point is coming. Next it is telling you. Second it is telling you what does the business do? What kind of business is there? What does the business business do? Then after you have to get at that third point. What are their objectives? what are their objective parts is coming. Okay, then after the very most important here, the budget. When you create a tag, see here, you have very like low kinds of you are going to attack on the low kinds of organization, and you are hired a very like professional attackers, and their charges are very high. You understood my point? Hmm? Because the security engineers or cyber security IT teams are very highly paid inside the market. Understood my point? So what the third is
Yes, sir.
next is telling you what is the planning important. Next is telling you should know about this term is very much important. Okay, for the your future perspectives inside the company, because only this thing is not coming, because you have to give the mails also. You have to know about this all kinds of NIST and this all what I was talking to you know on that time. We will apply when we will do the lab. Okay, see here. Next thing is coming here. Just come and try to understand. Next thing is telling you budgeting part. Very much important. Budgeting part is coming. Okay, what is your budget? See here, this is telling you inside the budget if you are coming. If you have large budget, if you have large budget, let me complete this part. If you have large budget, you can perform a more in depth. You can perform a more in-depth test, because tools are very sensitive and very highly costly. Okay, depth test. Next is coming what you should know about that. I'm writing increased timeline for testing, because this is not so easy. Vulnerability you will get inside the company. Okay, understood? So exploitation, for the exploitation you should know about what you have to increase the timeline timeline for testing. Just a minute. Timeline for testing. Are you there, Vijay?
Yes, sir.
Next point is telling you increased scope. Increased scope. Next is coming increased resources. Increased resources part. What is the resources is coming here? People, technology, technology. Then after external environments. Clear my point? Understood? This is coming on the budgeting part. So what is first you have to, when you're going to planning, I discuss. Then after the budgeting is very much important for you. How much your budget. Then after the resources and requirement is we will discuss. Then after communication path we will see. Then after we will see end state is there and technical constraints. These are the things we have to discuss. Disclaimer. What is the coming on the disclaimer and the last one, and then after we will see rules of engagement. ROE is very much important. That is the rules of engagement. ROE is continue up to your CISSP, CCSP. Understood? Getting my points? And tomorrow, let it be come. If the power will come, I will come. Okay, that is the monsoon here. Because that is power is not here. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you're free now.
Yes.
Okay, I'm calling you. Okay, fine.